Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning and decorating my journal, and it is for the week of July 25th through the 31st. This is going to be a very summer spread, yet kind of different. So I am going to be using the Plant Babe from Live Love Posh. I think that's such an amazing book. I wanted to go ahead and use it. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And this is my creative journal, like I said, and it is a classic size happy planner called Sophisticated Florals. I am using this beautiful, almost like a Indian summer vibe florals from Live Love Posh. I really wanted to use these. They are different and bright, but yet kind of remind me more of a fall vibe, but I wanted to use them in July. Those colors of like reds and blues really speak to me, so I wanted to go ahead and create those. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and comment so I can say hello. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so very much. I am so thankful. And I hope you will continue on liking my videos. And again, don't forget to comment and like. And I'll see you guys for many more videos very soon. But meanwhile, I'm gonna place this girl down and kind of do a hodgepodge of things, because this planner really has no rhyme or reason. I just do it based on how I feel and not necessarily on what I am doing that week. So I just wanted to add big elements that are bright and bold and go from there. So I'm adding some florals. I think that's pretty appropriate. I think that's good. So I'm gonna add all of these lovely potted plants, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some individual flowers as well to kind of add embellishments throughout the spread. And I really do love this book. I think I identify with a planner babe, and I also identify with a plant babe. So I have multiple hobbies outside of planning, and one of them is planting flowers and plants and herbs. So what sticker book that you have in your life is one that you identify with, and why? I'm really curious to see what you guys are identifying with. I have a couple, so this is probably one of them, which is the plant girl and kind of cozy and chic. And I have another book that is the Luxe Living, that completely, like when I opened it, I was like, OMG, this was created for me for sure. So Jessica from Live Love Posh does really an amazing job creating all of these sticker books that really speak pretty loudly to me. And coincidentally, I even have some images from Etsy that she has purchased from the artist and used in her books, which is quite bizarre, right? So we have the same sticker books. I already have or sticker images. I already have some of them that are corresponding. Okay, so again, when I'm placing stickers in this, there's really no rhyme or reason. Like I said, I am adding washi now to the spread. I found a blue washi that pretty much matches this turquoise blue and these stickers, so I wanted to incorporate that. I thought that is a fun touch, So I'm going to be doing strips of washi here and there to work in some more color. I really, really love how this is turning out with the blues and the reds and the oranges. Kind of more earthy tones too, so I wanted to bring in more of that turquoise because that really is what I like so much about this particular sticker collection. Okay, so I'm adding the pink that's kind of like the rose. I'm overlapping them, so it's creating like this brown hue or like maroon hue, which I don't really mind. I think that might work, so I'm gonna see how that works out in the long run. So let's take a look. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the same thing on Friday through Sunday. I think that will definitely highlight those days for me. So I am doing that right there. And then second one right there. Okay, I don't know if I need like little embellishments to add, but first I'm gonna go ahead and try to add these florals, that corresponding color, or kind of corresponding color. I wanted to do black and white dots first, but that's completely out of this ball game. Like that doesn't even go. I wanted to try to see what that would look like. I do have a lot of florals and washi strips that actually might match this, so let's take a look and decide which one. I kind of think this color matches this spread, so I'm gonna roll it out and see how well it looks. And if it doesn't look well, it's gonna get ripped off. You guys already know that. So on top of these pinks and turquoises, I might be able to add this like pink, orangey, yellow, gold flowers. I think that works pretty well. Awesome. And then one more on the top. And then one more right there. And I think as far as washi, I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to overkill it. Do you guys ever like feel that when you start using washi, you can't stop and it's everywhere? Because I do. That's how I roll. I either don't use it at all, or I use it to the point where it's almost overwhelming amount. Okay, I think there's only one thing left to do, and it's some embellishments. So I have some quotes from this book that I might be able to use in here, and I'm gonna see based on the size. Plantaholic, I think that looks really, really good. And I think it's a cute thing to put in here. And then maybe Plant Mama right there. As far as the stickers go, I think that might be pretty close to being done. I'm gonna pop this in the planner and see how it looks. And I'm gonna see if it's balanced. And for me, it might be missing like a smidge of something in here. So let's see if I can add just a little bit of stuff into here. Not much. I am just putting my washi away, so I am sorry, but let's get into it. So there might be little embellishments that I can pop out of here and add. There's a tiny cactus that I wanna add as well on top of this feather with florals. Let's see. Maybe I can add that in between the lines somewhere. Yep. But outside of this, I am all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you for another plan with me very shortly. Have a good week. Bye.